Hey everybody, doing unboxing for Enailcouture, and I will be doing unboxing for Young Nails soon as well. And still in the process of moving and stuff, so I can get this out of the way. Mylars, I believe, or glitters, but they look like mylar pieces, different shapes. Pieces and color acrylic. The famous Enailcouture aprons, 3 of them. And we got 2 of these. And we got the stand, armrest. And we got some nail care brush wipes, but you can use these for all kinds of purposes besides brush wipes. Got 2 of them. Then we have the Max wet wipes. Moving on. Little nail foils to remove and let them sit on there to remove hyphen free. Got some putty that goes with the stand here. A cute little homemade stand here. Love it. We got some colored acrylic. Some more colored acrylic. Both the same. Beautiful. Just colors. 18. Bright pink. Which it definitely is. We got blue in moving on. And we got that favorite Christmas mix. We got 37. It's like a nude, pinkish nude. And we got pink. I would open these, but they're pretty full. Acrylic. Right there. System. And blush, which is white. Bright white. And we got Eternal Beige, which is all type famous. Then we got this pretty Princess Pink, which is a very pretty color. We got ombre powder, which is in white. One's white and one's clear, so I'm not sure which one. And then we have, I believe that's, yep, Grand Champion. I meant to grab this. Here's the Glow 006. Nice, beautiful color for the summer. Acrylic system. The new jars. Then we have gel and light pink. And this is the smaller size. And you got 3 different sizes this comes in. Bubblegum gel ivory. Got 2 of these inks. I got like all the sets, so, and they're all nice. This might have a sheen to it besides the black, if you can tell. Yeah, is a tealish color. It's really pretty. The phone doesn't do it justice. Hold on a second.